Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at a gaming project that I think could be really big. First of all, I want to talk about Ethereum, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. If you look at this just now, this is looking as if it's going to break from this long-term symmetrical triangle. If we look at the weekly here, we can see for the last kind of 4 years or something, we've kind of formed on Ethereum this long-term symmetrical triangle, and it looks as if it's just about to break out. It looked as if it was going to do it a couple of times before, back in April. It didn't quite make it there, but it looks as if it's ready and poised to break out on this Ethereum Bitcoin chart. You can see it's at the very top just now. Now it could bounce back down, come all the way down to 3.6% of the Bitcoin price, but at the moment it's 7.5% of the Bitcoin price. Just now at 7.5 million Satoshi. But I like to kind of look at the percentage figure and just say it's 7.5% of the Bitcoin price. If this breaks out, I'm seeing that we could get to 0.23, which is 23% of the Bitcoin price. 23% of the Bitcoin price just now is roughly about $11,000 or something like that. If Bitcoin price was to stay at $56,000, $57,000, if we broke out from here. So what does this mean for gaming? What does it mean for altcoins? What does it mean in general? If Ethereum breaks out from here, it's really going to kind of go on a big kind of explosion. So for the Ethereum price, it's going to go up. I'm seeing, this is not financial advice, do your own research, and we have to say that as YouTubers for obvious reasons, and I hate it when kind of YouTubers do it, but we have to do it. There's a reason we do it. So this, I'm not a financial advisor, do your own research, but I think this could put Ethereum up to the $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 mark. I've been saying for a long time, $10,000 for Ethereum by the end of the year. Might be by quarter 1, but I'm still going to stick with by the end of the year. And if this breaks out, this is when it could happen. So for the altcoins, that's when the altcoins are going to break as well. We've seen it happen in 2017, 2018. When Ethereum broke, that's when the altcoins broke as well. All the altcoins went up as well, in line kind of with Ethereum, and some obviously will surpass Ethereum and did surpass Ethereum back then. This is where you're going to see the 10x's in a day, some of them as well, the 5x's, 10x's, 20x's you're going to see as well, which is 2,000%, 1,000% or whatever. You're going to see lots of kind of explosive kind of altcoin action when this happens, when this breaks out. Bitcoin price just now is still staying about the same, around about 57,000. Hopefully it kind of breaks higher, and we get this crossing of the 50 over the 200 on the hourly. I like to look at the 50 over the 200 on the hourly because it's a faster figure or a faster number. You could do the 7 over the 21 EMA, which is what I normally look at for the daily. So Bitcoin is staying roughly about 57,000. I'm expecting it to go back up over 60,000 and kind of stabilize from there, which will give Ethereum the impetus to kind of move on. Okay, so the project I'm going to be talking about today is called Citizen Finance. Citizen Finance just now, we'll just refresh this. We've got a price of $256.86, market cap of 38 million, and a fully diluted market cap of 128 million. So still a relatively small number. However, they have gone up a lot over the last couple of months. So seen back in July, we're talking about $2. And it's already gone up to as high as $419 before coming back down. So it's gone up a hell of a lot, Citizen Finance, but I still think we could see a 5x from here, or a 3 to 5x from here for Citizen Finance. And it's because one of these, well, there's a lot of things going on, and we'll kind of discuss it. So we'll look at this just now. So what is Citizen Finance? It's a multi-chain ecosystem with support for gaming, NFT marketplace, and decentralized finance. So basically, it's going to marry all three kind of these categories together. So we've got, I've spoke about the gaming project, or the gaming, how it's going to revolutionize kind of cryptocurrency as a whole and bring mass adoption to cryptocurrency. So it's got gaming, it's got NFTs, which is absolutely huge just now. It's going to have the metaverse as well, and we've got DeFi in there as well. 4 of the biggest, hottest categories in crypto at the moment, and I think there's still going to be the hottest categories for the next year to come at least. So it's marrying all these together. For gamers, first-person shooter game, an FPS game that's coming out onto the blockchain as well. They've got yield farming there as well. They've got NFTs for artists, NFTs for collectors, community as well. They're building up. So they've got a lot of things going on at the moment. So this is a Santa Fe website. This is for the DeFi kind of side of the project. So welcome to a new world of DeFi, next generation NFT-based utilities in decentralized finance, staking and gamification as well. So this is a different way to look at what NFTs can do and give them a different functionality and give them utility as well, but also within the DeFi space, which is, it's not brand new, but they're doing it in a really, in my opinion, fantastic way. So if we're going to launch the app, and we can see some of the active pools have got going on just there at the moment. And if you're on the whitelist, you can claim Santa Fe NFTs as well. But you need to be on a whitelist for that. So that's Santa Fe. I'm just going to quickly go over this as well. The other thing they've got coming out as well, which is what I'm excited about more because of the gaming side of it, is Metalands. Metalands is going to be the first person shooter game that's coming out for Citizen Finance just now. You can see it's 80% completed and it's a multi-chain project as well. And this is a free play to earn game as well. Play to earn is obviously going to be huge. We've spoken about that in the last video as well, why it's going to be huge and why it's creating different economies. But this is going to be a free play to earn game as well. And you can earn loots and NFTs which can be moved out of the game into the secondary marketplace, which is going to be onto Santa Fe as well. So it could be really good. You've got in-game assets as NFTs as well, just the same customization. So you can customize your character as well. 80% complete, as we said here, for the Metalands Alpha. This will be coming out soon. And I think this, in and of itself, with just Metalands alone, could be really, really big if this was all they did. But it's not all they're doing. They're doing lots of other things in this space as well. And as I said, marrying up NFT gaming and kind of DeFi as well is something big for this. Now you can see Citizen Finance here, the kind of socials have got 47,500 followers. And as I said, if you look at the numbers, it's coming back up again. It's close to its all-time high. Well, it's not close, but its all-time high, we're about 61% to get to its all-time high. Or if we're saying it's dropped 37% from its all-time high, basically. But I know it's kind of climbed up already big time. I just think this has still got a lot of legroom left in it. Only 38 million market cap. Metalands coming out soon. Santa Fe, obviously, with the DeFi stuff. More games coming out, I believe, in the future as well. I just think this is a kind of hot project that we should be looking at. Now, as I said, this is a very quick video just to get you kind of started and doing your own research. I don't want to do everything. I just like you to think about the projects I'm kind of showing you and then say, okay, I'm going to do my own research on this. So I'll definitely check it out. I think it's going to go higher. As I said, I mentioned it in my group at 286. It's down from there, so it's still a good price to get in for sci-fi or CI-FI. That's what they're calling it, sci-fi. So have a look at it, do your own research. And that's it for now. I just want to kind of show you that, share it with you. But obviously I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I've invested a lot of money into this myself. But I think it could be really big, especially with Metalands coming out soon as well. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.